welcome back to another video, guys. So today, bet you're wondering why these are so short and so stumpy. I just took my nails off yesterday and I don't know what's happened to them, but they're just really badly damaged. I've been really good since I really damaged my nails last year at Christmas, and it took me weeks, months to get them back healthy again. I've really looked after my nails, soaking them off or filing them off. And I've just took my nails off yesterday and they're so bad. I mean, my right hand is fine. My left hand, I'm not even showing you. It's so badly damaged. My nails are like paper. Some of you might know already, some of you might not know, but since I was a teenager, I've had kind of a love-hate relationship with food. And I've not been eating very well. I'm in the kind of hate period at the minute. So I think it's just down to I'm not getting the vitamins and minerals that I need. Well, my right hand is, but my left hand's not. So I don't know what it is. So what I'm going to do is what I did at Christmas when I really damaged my nails. I made myself a little set of press-ons and I just wore them for a few weeks, just until I felt like they were strong enough to be putting extensions on again and stuff. But I'm really not happy with them. I was really upset when I took my nails off yesterday, actually, and I seen the state of them. Because when I put this set of nails on 2 weeks ago, they were fine. They were looking really healthy. They were strong. So I don't know what's happened in the last 2-3 weeks, but it is what it is, I suppose. So I'm going for, this is a similar shape to the last set of press-ons I did. Not quite stiletto, more pointed almond, but they're a little longer and a little more pointed than the last set I did. This one's clear because these natural tips, I haven't got one. They don't fit my thumb. These clear ones don't fit my thumb very well either, but this was a long nail. I've had to chop it down, and I've had to chop them all down because they were all quite long. So I've chopped them down and shaped them the best I can. So it's just going to be a quick, easy set, really. They're only press-ons. So my base colour is going to be pink. It's one of my Umix, number 198. And it's just a nice pale baby pink. And I'm going to be using some of this glow-in-the-dark gel polish from Gelike as well. And it's L02. This is from the glow-in-the-dark set that I got. And I'm going to be using that. And what I've also pulled out is, I don't know if any of you saw the glaze gels I got, the jelly gels I got with this silver metallic base. But I'm going to use a bit of this silver as well. So I'm going to give these a quick base coat. Cue that in the lamp for 30 seconds and then we'll get on with this quick design. So I've already buffed these, but I'm going to give them a base coat as well. Right, so that's them out of the lamp. So I'm going to give them all a coat of this. I know what I'm doing on them all except the ring finger. I don't know whether to put a bit of bling or some glitter on the ring finger. Probably glitter because I am forever playing with my hair. Forever. And bling just gets caught all the time. So I might just put a little bit of glitter on the ring finger. This is a really cute pink, isn't it? Right, that's them all cured. I've put some of this pink on my palette and I'm literally just going to be doing some wavy lines. Nothing fancy, I am just going to do some wavy lines. And I'm going to do this on all of them except the ring finger. Right, that's all my pink bits done. So I'm just going to get these all sealed in. I'm using Umic No Wipe top coat. So I'm just going to get all this pink sealed in. And I'm going to go use that silver and just outline all this pink with that silver. I'm sorry if you can hear my fan, guys. I've had to turn my fan on. It's so hot. Right, so I'm going to use, that's all that pink sealed in with the top coat. I'm going to use this silver, and I'm literally just going to go around this pink and do a silver outline. This silver as well, it cures in the lamp, and it's a no wipe, so it doesn't cure with a tacky layer or anything, which is good because I want it to kind of look kind of embossed, if you know what I mean. I want this silver to look slightly raised, so because I won't have to top coat it and encapsulate it, I'm hoping that's what it will look like. My brush is not playing ball today. My brush is being a bit of a pain in the arse. It keeps settling on the end. I think it's this silver. It's not your average gel paint, is it? I don't like this with this brush. It's quite difficult actually. Can you see what I mean? That little ball is settling. Normally that little ball would settle on the very tip of the brush, but it's not. It's kind of settling halfway up, which is making it very difficult indeed. Right guys, I'm going to speed this up because it's going to take me a while. See, look, it's doing it again. Can you see? This stuff is beautiful, but it's so weird. I've pulled out this strawberry sorbet from Glitter Stella. It's beautiful. Or this plain matte, because that matches that pink perfect. I wish you guys could talk to me. Right, I'm going to throw these two on my desk, and whichever one lands face up is what we're using. Right, ready? Right, we're using the strawberry sorbet. So yeah, let's go with that. Right, I think I'm going to paint it pink first because this is quite transparent. So I'm going to give it a coat of the pink that I've used on the other nails.
I'm sorry if you can hear my fan again. It's just very hot. I can't work under these lights without my fan on. I tried for the first half of the video and it's just too hot. Too hot, too hot, too hot.
Right, let's try and just pour it into this wet gel polish. See what that's like. Right, I'm just going to tap that excess off. And obviously I don't want bits sticking out around the cuticle area. I'm just going to press down any bits that might be sticking up. Right, yeah, I'm just going to cure it. I'm going to go with it. Let's have a look what it would look like in amongst them. Yeah, let's just get it cured. So what I'm going to do first is I'm going to clean my nails with some alcohol. So this is just a cotton pad and some alcohol. Get any dirt and grime off them. Right, now for press-ons, if you just want to put them on for the day or a few hours, you can use these little sticky tabs. They are just like double-sided tape. Oh, I'm not going to peel them off because I'm not going to use them. But you get them in all different sizes. There's big ones for your thumb, little ones for your pinky. You can buy these on eBay, Amazon, AliExpress. They're brilliant if you just want to be able to take them off, on and off quickly. But I want mine to stay on as long as possible, so I am using good old nail glue. Right, so I'm going to get these glued on. So I'm just going to put the glue on the inside. Make sure I get it up the edges as well. I don't know about the glue that yous have got, but this glue dries so quickly, so I have to kind of get it right first time. And then I just hold it on for a few seconds, and then we're good to go. Right, I'm going to get the rest of these glued on, get my other hand done, and I'll be back to show you. Right guys, I don't like them. I like them. I don't like the, it's not even the shape that I don't like. I liked this shape last time I did them, but I've done them a bit longer this time. Last time I did this shape, I did them shorter and stumpier, and I really liked them. And I think I've done them a bit longer this time. I'm not sure. But I do like the design and the shape. I just think they're a bit too long. I think I might snip the end off, you know, so it's like that, more a bit of a coffin or ballerina. Yeah, I might snip the ends off. I do like them, I just think they're too long for my skinny hands. Let me know what you think in the comments, guys. But this is going to be me for the next few weeks. I am just going to be wearing press-ons, just so that I can take them off and give my hands a good, just look after them a bit better. I think that one's a bit wonky, is it? No, it's not too bad. Yeah, let me know what you think, guys. I don't know, I do like the design, nice and simple, and definitely an Aggie set for sure. But I think they might look better if I just snip the end off and have them like coffin or ballerina. But anyway guys, that is it for today. I might do a couple more sets for myself, because obviously I don't want to be wearing these for weeks. So I might do another set. Look at that glitter, it's beautiful, isn't it? I'm glad I went with that glitter. I was just going to paint that nail pink in this pink. That glitter is stunning. So yeah, I'm glad I went with the glitter. But anyway guys, that is it for today. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please remember to give the video a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel. Hit the notification bell as well so you never miss an upload. And hopefully I'll see you all in my next one. Take care. Bye.